File sharing is one of the common issue for day-to-day life, but don't worry, today I have 5 apps for you guys and I hope these apps will help you for easy file sharing. So the first application is the Share It, Transfer and Share, one of the most widely known app for file sharing. It shares all kinds of files anywhere, everywhere and wherever you want, 200 times faster than Bluetooth speed. It allows no USB, no data charges, no internet connection. It supports Android, iOS platform as well as the Windows Phone and Windows platform, and it also supports the Mac OS too. ShareIt provides one of the fastest method for file sharing on Android platform. The second app is the Sender. Another best app for file sharing is the Sender, the better known as the app for sharing the needs. Share any types of files in any place at any time, it absolutely without mobile data charges. Zender allows us to transfer file up to 200 times faster than the Bluetooth, and it also supports the Android, iOS, Windows platform and also support the cross-platform transferring of the file. Third application is the Superbeam. Superbeam is the easiest and fastest way to share large files between your device using Wi-Fi direct. Device can be paired using QR codes or NFC or manual sharing key. It offers blazing fast transfer speed using Wi-Fi direct. It pairs with device using NFC or QR codes. Sharing with devices that do not have Superbeam through the web interface. It keeps all the history of the file transfer operations. It also offers the light, dark and AMOLED color themes. And the number 4 application is this Send Anywhere. Send Anywhere is the quick, easy and simple file sharing application for your smartphone. It offers the features like transfer any type of file without altering the original file. Wi-Fi direct is one of the most common method for sharing the files in this application. It also offers the easy link sharing via social media and social messenger applications. It also offers the encryption over 256-bit that no other apps is offering currently in any platform like the Android or the iOS. The last and but not the least is the CM Transfer, the highest rated file transfer application on Google Play. It offers the 5 megabytes per second up to 10 megabytes per second transfer speed, and the company is claiming that it is 160 times faster than the Bluetooth. All of these applications are available on Google's Play Store and as well as the Apple's App Store. So if you want to check out these applications, the link in the description of this video, just head over the desired link and check it out these application, and leave your comments if you have any query or any suggestion, and hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends and let them know about these new 5 applications for file transfer.